Hey CV crew, welcome back to my channel and welcome to all of you who are new. In today's video, we are going to be making Easter and spring stickers for the kiddos in my church. So let's get into the video. I've already uploaded the images that I want to use. I'm going to start right here with this little guy. So I'm going to click on the image and I want to start by adding an offset. So I'm going to come up to offset. And the size of my offset is already set, so I'm going to hit apply. The offset automatically comes in black, and if you come over to the right panel, it says offset print then cut. I want to change that to a basic cut, so I'm going to come up to operation and click on the box and then come to basic, which it turns gray when you do that. But I can come down here to contour and get rid of the contour by clicking hide all contours. And then click the X. Now there are no more holes in my offset. So I'm going to change the offset to white. Drag over both the image and the offset and click flatten down at the bottom. Okay, so this one is done. I'm basically going to do the same thing to this one. So I'm going to come to offset and it's already set. So I'm going to click apply. This particular offset has no holes in it, so we don't need to change it to the basic cut. All I need to do here is change the color to white. And then drag over both the image and the offset and click flatten. So that's all you have to do when you are creating stickers. If you have Cricut access, you can also come up here and click on the create sticker button. And of course, you size your stickers according to whatever you are creating. Okay, I am going to decrease the size of my canvas and bring these over. So I've already gotten the other images together. Almost all of my images are from Creative Fabrica except for 3. Those other 3 are from Canva, but the ones that are from Creative Fabrica I will link down below. So I'm going to move this over and ungroup and bring this little guy right here in this spot and drag over all of the images and group them together. Here I'm going to ungroup again and bring this little one right in there, drag over all and group them. Now I do need to make a background for these, so I'm going to come to shape and click on the square. And I automatically want to change the size of my square. So I'm going to come to size and unlock it. I'm going to change the width to 3.25 and the height to 4.5 and change the color to white. Now I want to duplicate my shape 3 times, and I'm going to drag over all 4 of the shapes, come to a line and click center and come down here and click attach. All right, so now they will move together. I'm going to bring over these images and I'm going to send my shape to the back. Highlight over everything here, come to a line and click center. And since everything is still highlighted, I'm going to click attach. The reason why I attached 4 of the same shape together is so that when my Cricut cuts out the sticker sheet, it will make 4 passes around all of my stickers, and it will also create a standalone sheet. This way I don't have to manually cut out the sheet to size. The Cricut will already do it for me. If you are a little confused about what I mean, I'll show you a little later. It will be a bit more clear. So I'm going to bring this over and show you one more time. Grab a shape and resize it. Then change the color to white and duplicate the shape 3 times. You may have to adjust the amount of shapes based on your sticker paper. Highlight all shapes, go up to align, center, then attach. Bring the image on top of the shape and align, center, and attach. So now these are ready to go basically, but let me show you how I get multiple sheets on one 8.5 by 11 sticker sheet. So I'm going to open up my guide here. So what I'm going to do here is click on this and I'm just going to duplicate it, bring it over to the side and hit shift on my keyboard, highlight both of them, come to align, and I'm going to align top and group them. So now all I need to do is duplicate it one more time. So essentially we will have 4 sticker sheets on one sticker sheet. By using this template, I know that all 4 of these sticker sheets will fit on one 8.5 by 11 sheet. So I can hide my template and drag over all 4 and click attach. Now they will stay together, and I will do the same for this one. Okay, so now we have all 8 sheets. Let me show you one more thing before we move on. I also want to give them one die cut sticker, and this particular one says, "No bunny loves you like Jesus." So I thought that one was cute, so I wanted to make this one a die cut sticker. And a die cut sticker is a sticker that is one sticker by itself. It is not on a sheet, it is just one sticker by itself. Okay, so let me show you how I'm going to do that. I'm going to click on the image, come to offset. This is what I want my offset to be. And I do want to double check that my offset has no holes. So I'm going to come here to operation, go to basic cut, and it does because our contour is black. So I'm going to click on it and it's one tiny little hole here, but I'm still going to hit hide all contour and then change this to white, highlight over both and click flatten. I'm going to give this another offset. So the reason being is I want there to be a little outline around it where you can pull it off, which makes it easier when you have die cut stickers to remove the backing from the actual sticker. Again, if it doesn't make sense, I will show you what I mean once the Cricut cuts everything out. So I'm going to add another offset. But this one, I want to make it 0.050 and then click apply, change it to white. I want to do the same thing I did with the sticker sheet here. So I'm going to duplicate this 3 times, the offset. And I'm going to come in the layers panel and click all 4 that say offset by holding my shift down. And go to align, center, attach. And then I'm going to send this to the back, highlight over both, align, center, and now attach. Okay, we are ready for the Cricut to make our stickers. So let's click on make. All of the sheets are ready here, so we can just click continue from here. So I'm going to send it to the printer. I don't need the bleed on, but I do want use system dialog and print. And then from here, I'm just going to choose my media and quality settings, which will be rear tray, matte photo paper, and best. And then I click print. So from here, I will choose my cut settings. It took me a while to figure out the best settings for Kiss Cut stickers on my Maker 3. I tried so many different settings, and believe it or not, the premium vinyl permanent glossy is the best for my sticker paper. Remember, everybody's sticker paper is different, so you really will have to play with your settings to figure out what will be the best setting for your sticker paper. So I'm going to click on the permanent glossy, and that is the same setting I'm going to use for all 3 sticker sheets. And then I'll see you at my craft desk. My first set of stickers are printed. I'm going to get them on my cutting mat to run through my Cricut. This particular mat has lost all its stickiness. So after getting the stickers positioned, I'm going to use painter's tape to hold the sheet in place. Also, when using the print then cut feature, you want to make sure that the arrow in the top left corner is always in the top left corner of your cutting mat. Here's a quick view of the stickers being cut out by the Cricut. You will also see it make the 4 cut passes. The stickers are cut out. I'm going to start by removing the negative space from the cutting mat, then turn my mat over and bend it as I remove the stickers. This is how they turned out. So cute. We now have 4 sticker sheets using one 8.5 by 11 sheet. Here's my second set of stickers. I'm going to repeat the same process that I did for the first set. So the reason I attached those 4 shapes in Design Space was to make sure that the Cricut cut completely through the sheet, which created 4 sheets of stickers. Remember, the amount of shapes you may need to attach will vary based on the thickness of your sticker sheet. Be sure to do a test cut. No, you're not imagining things. There are way more stickers on this sheet than you saw in Design Space. Before printing, I went back and added the rest to make sure I wasn't wasting any materials. In Design Space, we added 2 offsets to this image. Doing that gave me the outer layer to peel away, alleviating the struggle of removing the sticker from the backer. I love how all the stickers turned out, and I hope the kiddos at my church enjoy them. If you are a teacher, you can make Easter stickers for your students, or if you're a parent making classroom gifts for Easter, this could be a non-food edition. This could also be good for parents and grandparents who want to add stickers to an Easter basket. So I hope this sticker tutorial was helpful and inspired you to try these methods. Before you go, please like the video, comment down below, consider subscribing if you haven't already, and turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss a future video of mine. Until next time, later CV crew.